Sa dami ng mga bagong sasakyan sa kalsada ngayon, dumadami na rin ang mga kamoteng driver. Yung tipong hindi mo na alam kung talaga nag-aral sa driving school o dumaan lang sa under the table na diskarte para makakuha ng lisensya. Kaya hindi na rin nakakapagtaka kung bakit mas delikado na ang kalsada ngayon para sa mga maingat at responsableng motorista. Kaya bilang isang law-abiding driver, syempre isipin mo na rin ang safety mo at hindi lang yun. Kailangan mo rin ng solid na ebidensya sakaling may mangyari hindi naasahan na pwede mong gamitin sa pag-claim ng insurance. Dito na papasok ang isang reliable na dashcam na hindi lang magbibigay ng extra peace of mind kundi maaaring maging lifesaver mo pagdating sa mga sitwasyon sa daan. Meet the 70mm 4K Omni dashcam. May 360-degree rotatable camera, AI motion detection, Starvis 2 technology, and up to 4K 60fps recording. For full transparency, this video is a sponsored one. So thank you 70mm for sponsoring this video. Pero bago yan, who or what is 70my? So if this is your first time hearing about 70my, they're leading smart auto intelligence company, which specializes in dashcams with innovative features. Founded in 2016, 70my had built a global presence in 100 plus countries and is selling around 2 million units annually. Their products range from premium dashcams to car accessories. Now, let's check what's included in the box. We have the main dashcam, the rear camera unit, car charger adapter, power cables to connect both dashcams, some documentations, may kasamang electrostatic films, additional adhesive, and cable tack tool or prying tool. So it's the essential that you need to utilize this dashcam effectively. Although we also have a free 128GB 70my memory card plus a 70my polarizing filter, which are add-on accessories and are sold separately. Pero pag bumili kayo before April 4, free nyo itong makukuha. My first impression of the 70my 4K Omni was that it is unique in terms of design compared to the usual dashcam on the market. Ang standout feature dito is the 360-degree full view rotating camera. You can adjust it up to 360-degree to record on any direction you want. It redefines what a dashcam can do. Hindi siya stuck on one area direction only. Madali din siya install just using the electrostatic film mount. Kapag nakakabit na, madali mo na siyang i-adjust to make sure tama yung angle. Then you have to manage the cables. Hide it along the headliner and dito sa mga trim pieces para mas malinis tingnan using the prying tool. Dito sa likod, ganun din. Kapit nyo lang yung electrostatic film, make sure na nakagitna, and then manage the remaining cables para malinis tingnan. Make sure lang din na hindi sasabit yung cable pag isasara at bubuksan yung pinto sa likod. Make sure lang din to wipe the lenses first and then the windows before installation so that you'll avoid light streaks just like what happened dito sa video na ito. And if ayaw nyo mag-DIY on installation, there are a lot of 70my authorized installation centers here in the Philippines. As this is a high-end dashcam, the 70my 4K Omni dashcam is loaded with smart features na magpapadali ng buhay mo on the road. Gaya ng 360-degree full view recording with the addition of the rear camera, making it now a dual-channel dashcam, which ensures na makakapture nyo yung bawat anggulo ng biyahe nyo with quality footage. In terms of image quality naman, the 4K Omni's main camera is now equipped with a Sony IMX678 sensor with Starvis 2 technology na may up to native 4K 60fps recording quality with no interpolation on single-channel mode, regardless of lighting conditions. Its rear camera unit, on the other hand, captures a 1080p footage. Both of the cameras support HDR as well. And speaking of Starvis 2, ano ba ang meaning nito? So Starvis and the newer Starvis 2 ay mga imaging sensor technologies na gawa ng Sony, designed para sa low light performance ng cameras, lalo na sa mga CCTV at dashcams. Starvis has a back illuminated sensor kaya mas malinaw at detalyado ang footage kahit sa madilim na paligid. Samantalang ang Starvis 2 naman, mas improve ang light sensitivity, dynamic range, at noise reduction. Kaya mas maganda ang quality ng video kahit sa extreme lighting conditions, whether sobrang dilim o sobrang liwanag. In short, kung gusto mo ng clear at reliable footage kahit gabi o mahina ang ilaw, mas okay ang dashcam na may Starvis or Starvis 2 sensor, like the 70my 4K Omni. So here's a comparison between a Starvis equipped dashcam and non-Starvis equipped one. Here, we can see na the Starvis equipped one will have the plate numbers highlighted and much visible compared to the non-Starvis one. A weakness of non-Starvis dashcams like what we have here is that kapag natututukan ng ilaw ang mga plate numbers, medyo hindi na ito mababasa unlike with the Starvis 2 equipped dashcam. Color-wise, it features 70my's My Color Vivid Plus solution and 70my Night Owl Vision for enhanced visibility especially at night nighttime, where most dashcams suffer. There's also some intelligent parking surveillance features like the AI Motion Detection 2.0 integrated with Hall effect sensors, which ensures seamless rotation of the dashcam with pinpoint accuracy on object following. In this clip, as you can see, we try to confuse the camera tracking kung sino ba ang susundan nito, but it followed me so well. So plus points for that. There's also a time-lapse recording feature for both front and rear cameras, which is pretty useful for parking surveillance. So even when parked, your vehicle will have a safeguard that could record untoward incidents like parking collisions. ADAS, which assists the driver in monitoring on the road, like if there's a sudden road hazards,
attention to riders,
irregular lane changes,
lane departure,
and more. There's also Lumi vision technology, which helps enhance nighttime parking surveillance with true color night vision. Buffered emergency recording feature that pre-records the crucial 10 seconds leading up to an incident along with the footage during a 20 seconds after an incident, ensuring no vital evidence is missed in case of a crash. There's also voice control feature with MaiX in-car AI Mate, which you can use to control the dashcam's function hands-free.
Capture inside. Camera reset.
Okay din yung pickup ng mic niya for video recordings. May Wi-Fi 6 for faster wireless download and viewing of video clips. And it has 4G LTE compatibility as well with the kit sold separately. So if you want other features like instant app alerts, live streaming, and Find My Car, kailangan mo din bumili nitong 4G hardware kit. May supercapacitor power supply din ito instead of a regular lithium battery, which is more durable at mas resistant sa extreme temperatures. So kahit super init like naiwan mong nakabilad o malamig, hindi ka mag-aalala sa sudden shutdowns of battery failures. Another big plus on this would be the 70mi app. Through the dashcam's built-in high-speed Wi-Fi, pwede mong i-connect yung dashcam sa phone mo para i-review or i-download agad yung footage. Super useful ito kung kailangan mong ipakita sa insurance or authorities yung nangyari after an incident. Pwede mo rin i-adjust yung settings, update the firmware, or even watch a live feed directly sa app. Very user-friendly kahit hindi ka tech-savvy. Pagdating sa video quality, hindi ka talaga madidismaya. It records in 4K Ultra HD and could be up to 4K 60fps if on single channel mode without the rear cam. Kaya sobrang sharp ng details whether on daytime or night driving, and will be up to 4K 30fps naman if dual channel mode or with the rear cam. Crucial ito lalo na kung kailangan mong makita yung plate numbers ng mga sasakyan or some street signs and lane markings. So tinas naman ito on multiple scenarios from day, night, and even rainy day, overcast kung saan makulimlim, indirect sunlight, and also with and without a polarized lens. Nakatint din pala ako ng 3M light black carbon tint on the windshield and medium black sa likod. At daytime, dito lalabas ang pinaka best quality na makukuha natin with this dashcam. There's excellent dynamic range, nearly true to life colors, and okay na okay ang image clarity. Kitang-kita almost all the details like plate numbers and street signages. Ideally, mas maganda itong gamitin combined with a magnetic polarized lens or CPL, which will reduce the glare kaya magiging mas malinaw ang image nito. I'd recommend getting one as well. Even in direct sunlight, grabe pa rin ang linaw ng quality. It seems hindi siya masyadong naapektuhan ng sinag ng araw. Combining it with a polarized lens would give the best results since it will reduce the passively distracting dashboard reflection. Even in bright to dim light situations like when entering a tunnel, wala masyadong pagbabago sa quality. Sobrang bilis mag-adjust, and kapag rainy days and overcast ang skies, all goods pa rin sa image quality. Now, at nighttime, this where the Starvis 2 technology really shines, along with the 70mi's Night Owl Vision technology. During night times, mas malinaw at mas maliwanag nga ang image quality nito, even with windshield tints. Just ensure that you clean the lenses and the windshield for the best results. I'd recommend that you also use the polarized lens at night to reduce further glare and have the best results. For the rear camera during daytime, malinaw siya, being equipped with the Starvis technology, but since it's 1080p. Of course, hindi siya katulad ng main camera sa harap. At nighttime, maliwanag din, and still readable ang important details like plate numbers, especially when the other vehicle is nearby. Overall, the 70mi 4K Omni dash camera is a game changer. Perfect siya for daily drivers, road trip lovers, o kahit na sino gusto lang na extra protection from KAMOTE drivers on the road. The 4K clarity, excellent color reproduction, 360-degree rotating, and smart features make it one of the most comprehensive dashcams out there. Admittedly, medyo nasa higher end price range siya, around 13,000 pesos, kumpara sa ibang dashcam sa market. Pero considering the 4K resolution, panoramic coverage, AI features, at reliable build quality na kilala na with 70mi, I'd say sulit siya as long-term investment, lalo na kung priority mo ang safety and security ng iyong sasakyan at mga pasahero nito. So if you're ready to upgrade your driving experience and protect yourself from unexpected incidents, this dashcam is definitely worth considering. Also, purchase the 70mm 4K Omni dashcam kit before April 4th to receive a free 70mm 128GB memory card and 70mm polarizer, both of which are sold separately by default.